In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a standard operating procedure doc in Notion, 5 minutes. First, open Notion and log in so you're working inside your workspace. We'll start by creating a home for your SOPs. Add a new page, choose a database format, and give it a clear name like SOP Library. A database lets you organize multiple procedures consistently and find them quickly later. Next, add the key properties that will keep everything organized. Create a status property using a select field with options like draft, in review, and published. Add an owner property as a person field so it's obvious who is responsible. Include a category property as a multi-select to group SOPs by department or process. Add a last updated property. You can use a date or a last edited time property so you always know how current the document is. Finally, add a review frequency property, such as monthly or quarterly, so you can plan updates and prevent documents from going stale. Now, let's design the SOP itself. Open a new entry in your database and think of it as a template for all future procedures. At the top, set a clear title and add an icon and cover to make it visually scannable. A recognizable look helps team members find and trust the document. Build the body with consistent sections. Start with purpose and scope to explain what this SOP covers and when it should be used. Add roles and responsibilities so each task has an owner and there's no ambiguity. Then document the procedure or steps, breaking the process into an ordered sequence that someone new could follow without guesswork. Support the steps with a tools and materials section so people know exactly what they need before they begin. Include a definitions or FAQs section to clarify jargon or common questions and reduce back and forth. Finish with a revision history where you capture date, what changed, and by whom. This creates accountability and an audit trail. Use Notion blocks to make everything clear. Numbered lists are perfect for step-by-step instructions. Checklists help track completion. Toggles keep advanced details hidden until needed, reducing visual clutter. Embeds let you include screenshots, short videos, or links to external docs, so your SOP is a one-stop guide. Finally, refine and manage your library. Create views for different needs like a board grouped by status or a table sorted by last updated. Use filters to show only published items to your wider team. Assign owners for every SOP. Set review frequency as part of your maintenance rhythm, and duplicate your best designed SOP as a template to keep formatting consistent. With this setup, your SOP library stays clear, current, and easy to scale.